Hello, everyone. Welcome to season 2 of the Sam podcast. We'll be talking about careers this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today's career is one that powers our homes, runs our devices, connects our communication systems, and drives modern technology, the electrical engineer. To help us understand this fascinating field, I've invited Miss Rachel Kim, a professional electrical engineer with over 9 years of experience in power systems and renewable energy projects. Rachel, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm so happy to be here. Electrical engineering is everywhere, but people rarely talk about it.
That's true, and I can already see we're both smiling because I'm sure we're going to spark, no pun intended, a lively debate today.
I promise I won't overload the conversation with technical terms.
Let's start simple. What exactly does an electrical engineer do?
Electrical engineers design, develop, test, and maintain electrical systems and equipment. That includes power generation systems, wiring systems, communication networks, electronic devices, control systems, and even renewable energy technology.
So basically, if something uses electricity, an electrical engineer probably helped design it.
Exactly. From power plants to smartphones, from traffic lights to solar panels, we're involved.
I've heard electrical engineering is one of the most challenging engineering degrees. Is that true?
Yes, it can be very demanding. The program includes advanced mathematics, physics, circuit theory, electromagnetics, power systems, electronics, and programming.
That sounds intense.
It is. You need strong analytical skills and patience. Understanding how invisible forces like current and voltage behave requires deep concentration.
So it's not just about connecting wires.
Definitely not. It's about designing safe, efficient systems that can handle electrical loads without failure.
Describe a typical day for you.
Some days I work in the office designing power distribution systems using simulation software.
Some days I visit project sites to inspect installations or test equipment.
Sometimes I attend meetings with contractors, architects, and project managers.
So you combine office work with field work.
Yes, especially in power systems. In electronics or software-focused roles, engineers may spend more time in labs.
Let me challenge you. Electricity is dangerous. High voltage, short circuits, fire hazards. Isn't electrical engineering risky?
Electricity is powerful, yes, but engineers design systems with multiple layers of safety: circuit breakers, grounding systems, insulation, and protective relays.
Still, accidents can happen.
True. That's why safety standards are strict. We follow national electrical codes and international regulations carefully.
So prevention is key.
Absolutely. Most of our job is preventing failures before they occur.
Let's talk pressure. If a hospital loses power or a city grid fails, the consequences are serious. That's a lot of responsibility.
Yes, reliability is critical. That's why we design backup systems and redundancy.
But doesn't that pressure cause stress?
Sometimes, especially during outages or emergency repairs. But solving critical problems also feels rewarding.
Electrical engineering requires years of intense study. Is the financial reward worth the effort?
In many regions, yes, electrical engineers are in high demand, especially in renewable energy, automation, telecommunications, and electronics industries.
So career stability is strong.
Very strong. Electricity is essential to modern society. Demand isn't going away.
What are the main branches within electrical engineering?
There are several: power engineering, electronics engineering, telecommunications, control systems, renewable energy, embedded systems.
That's a lot of options.
Yes, and each has its own focus. For example, power engineers work on grids and substations, while electronics engineers design circuits for devices.
What about the environment? Do electrical engineers mostly work indoors?
It depends. In power systems, we visit substations and construction sites. In electronics, engineers often work in laboratories. In renewable energy, we might inspect solar farms or wind turbines.
So it's not a boring desk job.
Not at all. It's dynamic.
People often think engineering lacks creativity. Is that true?
Absolutely not. Designing an efficient circuit or optimizing energy consumption requires creative thinking.
Give an example.
For instance, reducing energy loss in power transmission lines requires innovative solutions in materials and system configuration.
So innovation is part of daily work.
Yes, especially with smart grids and green technology.
Electrical engineers play a big role in renewable energy, right?
Definitely. Solar panels, wind turbines, electric vehicle charging stations, electrical engineers design and manage these systems.
So you're contributing to fighting climate change.
Yes, sustainable energy systems are a major focus today.
I've heard that power system engineers sometimes work long hours during outages. Is work-life balance difficult?
During emergencies, yes. When the power goes out, engineers must respond quickly.
But outside emergencies, schedules are usually stable.
So it depends on the role.
Exactly. Electrical engineers also manage teams, correct?
Yes, we coordinate with civil engineers, mechanical engineers, contractors, and clients.
So communication skills matter.
Very much. Explaining technical issues clearly is essential.
What is the most satisfying moment in your career?
Seeing a power plant come online successfully, or watching a renewable energy project start generating clean energy.
That must feel powerful.
It feels impactful.
There's also ethical responsibility, ensuring systems are safe and reliable.
Yes, engineers must prioritize public safety over profit or speed.
Have you ever had to delay a project because of safety concerns?
Yes, and it's not always popular, but safety must come first.
After everything, difficult studies, high responsibility, emergency calls, is becoming an electrical engineer worth it?
Yes, because electricity powers modern life. Being part of that system is meaningful.
That's a strong statement.
Without electrical engineers, hospitals, schools, factories, and homes wouldn't function.
I can't argue with that. Rachel, thank you for sharing your insights into electrical engineering, the risks, the responsibility, and the rewards.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. This was a great conversation.
To our listeners, electrical engineering is challenging, technical, and responsible, but also innovative, stable, and impactful. If you enjoy mathematics, technology, and solving real-world energy problems, this could be the career for you.
Thank you for listening to the SAM Podcast. Join us next time as we explore another exciting career.
Goodbye, everyone.